Hello everybody, I am Dr. Puneet CS, consultant neurophysician working at Sri Gokulam Hospital, Salem. Today I will just briefly explain what is stroke or Pakavada to you all. How do you recognize this stroke or symptoms? What are the risk factors for stroke? How do you diagnose stroke or recognize stroke? And finally, what is the treatment for stroke? Stroke or Pakavada is also known as cerebrovascular accident. This occurs due to any abnormality in the blood vessel. So, it can be in the form of blockage of the blood vessel known as acute ischemic stroke, or it can be bursting of the blood vessels called as intracerebral hemorrhage. So, stroke we have two types, mainly acute ischemic stroke and intracerebral hemorrhage. This acute ischemic stroke, the risk factors are diabetes mellitus, hypertension, smoking, excessive alcohol intake, then sedentary lifestyle. Whereas risk factor for hemorrhagic stroke is alcohol intake, hypertension, sedentary lifestyle and stressful habits. So, how do you recognize stroke? What are the symptoms of stroke? So, the classical symptoms are blurring of vision, weakness of one side of the face or one side of the limbs, can be in upper limb or lower limb, acute onset unconsciousness, slurring of speech or swallowing problem. Patient can also have various other problems like language disturbances. So, suddenly they can have language disturbance, suddenly they will not be able to speak and all, that also can be taken as a symptom of stroke. So, how do you recognize and how do you diagnose stroke? So, when a patient comes to us to the emergency, to the hospital, we investigate initially with all the parameters. After initially evaluating, we do a test known as imaging. Imaging can be in the form of CT scan or MRI. Then after diagnosing whether it is an acute ischemic stroke or a intracerebral hemorrhage, we treat accordingly. So, treatment for both acute ischemic stroke and intracerebral hemorrhage is different. Acute ischemic stroke is decrease in the blood supply to the brain, and the treatment is a clot busting agent known as Altiplase. This injection is given within 4.5 hours. So, if the patient comes within 4.5 hours, this is a very life saving drug. If you give it, there will be immediate opening of the blood vessels and a recovery of the neurological deficit. So, we should be very careful that the moment we recognize this symptom, patient should be brought to the hospital as early as possible, and we call it as a golden hour concept. So, this applies to all the neurological diseases, especially acute neurological diseases. So, in this stroke, a patient, if you recognize this type of symptom, immediately patient should be brought to the hospital so that life saving drug can be given. So, subsequently, we give drugs known as blood thinners, like classically we use as aspirin or clopidogrel. Along with that, we also use drugs for cholesterol like known as statins. So, these are the mainstay of medications for acute ischemic stroke. For hemorrhagic stroke, if the patient is having a severe bleed and patient is having severe unconsciousness, at that time we give medication. Along with that, we also treat with surgical treatment in the form of evacuation of the hematoma. So, these are the different pattern of modes of treatment for stroke. Subsequently, after the acute treatment, then comes rehabilitation. We give treatment in the form of physiotherapy, occupational therapy, speech therapy, swallowing therapy, so that patient will have both functional, occupational as well as the functional recovery, wherein he can take his care in day-to-day basis, like going to the bathroom and other things. So, this is holistically we have to treat that patient, and this requires a complete stroke unit which comprises of a neurophysician, a neurosurgeon, a stroke trained nurses and physiotherapist, speech therapist, occupation therapist. So, stroke has to be dealt with very acutely in the form of whenever you recognize this symptom, patient should be brought within 1 hour to the hospital, wherein patient can be given treatment so that the golden hour concept is maintained. So, thank you.